And for more on election results, DD India correspondent Aditya Srivastav joins us from Bhopal. Well, good morning, Aditya. BJP has clean swept the heart of India, that is Madhya Pradesh, for the third time as it faced Congress in the direct battle for the state's 29 seats. How do you see it affecting the political landscape now?
Yes, Lepakshi, you are right. BJP has clean sweep. As we know, since last seven elections, MP is a stronghold state of Bharatiya Janata Party from last seven elections. Last three elections, if we talk about, there are 29, 27 to 28 seats are gone to the Bharatiya Janata Party, and 2 or 1 seat gone to the Congress. But this time, all 29 seats are won by the BJP, Bharatiya Janata Party. All stalwarts of Bharatiya Janata Party made a record in this election. More than 12 candidates who got a 3.5 lakh margin in this election from Bharatiya Janata Party, and around 4 candidates who got less than the 1 lakh. But BJP says this is the Modi magic. This is Modi magic, and this result goes to the schemes of Bharatiya Janata Party government for last double engine government also. Last 2 tenure of NDA government with the lead of the Narendra Modi, and also the state government also play a major role for implementing this schemes in Madhya Pradesh. But yes, there is a very challenging election for Congress also. All stalwarts of Congress lost this election, especially Digvijay Singh, Kantilal Bhuria. These are the big faces of Congress. They did not win this election in this time.
All right. Also, Aditya, while BJP's Shankar Lalwani also won from Indore seat, if we talk about Indore, more than 2 lakh votes were polled on Nota in Indore. What can you tell us about that?
Yes, as we know that there is no Congress candidate in Indore, so that Shankar Lalwani got a more than 11 lakh margin in Indore. But the special thing is that the Chhindwara seat, where the Congress hold seat Chhindwara, but this time BJP candidate Vivek Banti Sahu got a 1 lakh 15 to 20,000 margin at this seat. So Chhindwara seat is also a prestigious seat for this election in Madhya Pradesh. BJP got the seat after the the independence, so that BJP is also enthusiastic for one more star added on this the victory.
All right. Thank you so much, Aditya, for all that update from there. And world leaders congratulated